Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Monopoly Go application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without wasting much of our time. Launch open your App Store and go to the search box at the top and type in Monopoly Go and search. Look for this application from Scopely Inc. and tap on the install or the download button and wait for the application to download and install on your iPhone. Monopoly Go is a free-to-play game which requires an internet connection and some in-game purchases as well. It is available for both iOS and Android devices. Some of the key features of Monopoly Go includes themed boards, new chains, new chance cards, community chest mini-games, heist and wrecking, and social features that players can interact with. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the open button to launch open Monopoly Go on your iPhone. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.